Okay guys, I want to show you how to install the rear bearing in the rear cast iron brake drum. A couple things. The seal looks like this. And if you'll notice, see if you can see this. See how it's open right here? See that? See how it's open there? If I flip it around, it's sealed. You can kind of see it again here. See how that's open? That's the part that you want to face the bearing. So we're gonna drive it in that way. But first, you need to take your nicely greased rear wheel bearing, slide that guy in there. Here we go. Now, what you want to do is you only want to drive the seal in deep enough to hit the snap ring channel. You don't want to drive it in any farther. And that bearing is able to ride a good 1/4 inch. It's just how it was designed. You don't need to worry about it. And what I bought was the rear hub seal driver. The part number is 1560T from Bratton's. And all it is this chunk right here, nice and pretty. And what it's going to do is drive the seal in deep enough, and it's got this recess right here, and that recess right there is for the snap ring channel. So you drive this in until it stops, pull it off, and you have seated this deep enough to hit the snap ring channel. It's very simple to do. Just kind of center that guy up. Make sure it's oriented the right way, and then just drive it in. And bottomed out, and there you go. This was only $20, and to me, I know you won't do this very often. Hopefully you'll only do this once or twice in your lifetime. That's probably not true, but $20, and I didn't mess anything up. Your next step is to install the snap ring. This is super simple. You can actually lay one end of it in the channel. And work it around. And then there you go. That's it. That's all that's required to install that snap ring. Now taking it out is a little bit more difficult, but you won't need to for a long time. If you have any questions, let me know, but it's super simple. And if you're wondering, I used the Stay Lube heavy duty drum brake bearing grease. This was recommended by Randy Gross out in California, and his reputation is pretty amazing, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with what he suggests. But that's it. That's all you got to do. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.